I want to say, I want to give him a kiss.
Well, we're not going to give him a kiss. We're just looking at him. Good morning. It is Monday. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Cam, please get off me. You can see how these guys are moving around so much better. Or you better lay down, otherwise you're not going to be able to. They are getting bigger and bigger. I haven't weighed them recently, but they are all doing good. She's laying down. She will. She's still cleaning them up and so yeah. Oh, there she goes. Uh-oh. Back out of there still. I'm not getting stuck quite yet, but we'll be moving them probably next weekend out to the garage in a bigger box. Huh. Where are you going? So anyway, there's your puppy loving this morning. Hope you guys had a great weekend and do more video later. Oh. Wrong side, you guys. All right.